Hello guys, this is Baba Gaming Hub and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to play Strike Gas. Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play that, and just follow my step one by one and don't miss it guys, and don't skip any part. Okay, just follow me what I'm doing. First of all, you have to open your Chrome. Before you open your Chrome, you have to download the VPN extension. You already know that VPN extension. What is it? Just extension, just add it and download it from Google Chrome web store. Go to web store and download it. First of all, open your Google and then type blood strike. Okay, type blood strike and go to the first link and open it. And as you can see, first time it's not working. Okay, first of all, it's not working like that. First of all, you have to download the free VPN add extension. You already know that web extension. So first of all, go to Google and just, as you can see, web store here, just click it, then type free VPN here, free VPN. Okay, free VPN, hit the enter, then scroll down and little bit and see this one. I already installed it, this one. Yeah, I already installed it. Okay, so you have to install and add it. After you have done, just go to above your left right side your screen. I have already downloaded this, that's why it's showing remove the device. If you are not downloaded first time, it's showing that here it's add extension, so you have to add it. I already added, so that's why it's showing remove. Okay, so I click here and then see this is my VPN. It's something like that, and just click here and select Singapore and then connect it. Okay, when you're done, then go to the game browser and click to download. If not working, you have to close the browser and then try again with your VPN. Okay, keep remember that. That means it's not working, no problem, no worries, just close it. Again you have to stop and just reconnect and skip and connect it again and then try again. Wait for it. Yeah, see, it's work now. So you have to wait for your download progress complete. So after that, open it. Your file is look like this. You just double click and open it and download it. This game's approx 5 GB game guys. You need 5 GB data of this game. You have to download it first. Okay, after that you done, I already download guys, so I'm not going to show you how the process, because if I show you the video is going long, so I can't. Okay, so we have to download it first. So this is my game icon on the screen right now. I'm gonna double click it and I'll open it the game. I will open the game, give me a second. If you have any doubt guys, just ask me in the comment section, so I will help you out. See, my game is already downloaded. Okay, so when you open the game, the screen is look like this. So you have to click it and log in it. Okay, you have to log in it first. Just click here and log in. Okay, so as you can see, so the game is screen here. So when you open the first time, there is showing you have connect with your account with Facebook and Gmail and other option. I mean like iPhone user. So I'm using with my Google Chrome account. So before you make a user name, so first of all you go to default browser. Okay, default browser, I mean like Windows. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, the Microsoft Edge, you have to open it. Again the same process, you download the extension VPN. So download and edit, then open the game, and I mean the screen, that screen, login screen. You just open. Okay, so now as you can see, your Microsoft Edge browser is open, and you have to connect your VPN extension, and then you log in it your account and ready for play. Okay guys, so I have done all my settings, and you see the graphic setting. Just follow me exactly what I'm put the settings. If you have good PC, you have to do this and your game will be run smoothly. Okay, so let's get in the game. Okay guys, so let's play the game. Let's get it. How this look like? Yeah.
Head to the target!
GPS, oh man, my favorite gun. Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Money you can buy from gun. What? Buy the gun, right?
The safe zone has been redefined.
Right key.
Enemy spotted! Taking fire!
Weapon here.
Let's really try, guys.
Enemy spotted!
Enemy target.
What the fuck?
Enemy spotted.
Kill.
Weapon here. Satellite scan in progress.
Enemy spotted!
Come boys, let's go.
Enemy spotted! Eliminated!
Mega kill! Double kill! Unstoppable!
Enemy spotted!
Wicked sick!
Weapon here.
Auto airdrop incoming.
Enemy spotted! Target eliminated! Using a bandage.
The right one is very much powerful.
Weapon
Color
here.
of the gun. Oh, it's much better. You're not yellow, it's red one. Like legendary weapon. Hide. Very good, guys.
Using a bandage.
Buy some.
zone is shifting.
Enemy spotted!
Godlike!
What is that glitch, bro? It is like Call of Duty, guys. Oh. That is it. What else? I don't know. I have no control here, so I can hold that.
This is a good spot.
Hey, drive a vehicle.
Taking fire! Enemy spotted!
Hah? Kita? Kita? Ayo rambu kami.
Godlike! Double kill!
UAV support called in. The safe zone has been redefined.
Okay guys, so thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. If your friend is struggling to play this game on PC, please kindly share this game with your friend. And if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and if you have any doubt, just ask me in the comment below. I will definitely reply you guys and definitely help you guys. Thank you so much, and join my Discord guys. I will help you there. So thank you. Bye bye guys, take care, stay safe. This is Baba Game. Bye bye.